Okay, new stuff. Same deal with the chords. Just going to be doing, the key of D for the next chord progression stuff. Okay, so the start of the 16s last week. So not a bad start. There are some things that I heard and noticed. So like with number one from last time, there is a smoothness that was missing on like the lower speeds. So instead of being like it sounded more like so basically there was a gap, a noticeable gap between the 4th 16th note and the quarter notes. So we need to smooth that out. And I'm wondering if it has anything to do with how you're holding your hand on the body of the guitar, possibly being too rigid at the beginning. So I want you to take your hand off the guitar and be more flowy with the strumming. That's why we're going to do 3 strings again, and we'll go back to some 2-string stuff later on. But yeah, I want you to do the 3-string version for the power chords again right now. Keep your hand off the guitar in the early speeds at least, and strum it like you'd be doing the bigger chords. Remember, you want to think like your hand is wet and you're trying to dry it off. That's the kind of motion you're going to make here. So lots of forearm rotational movement stuff, okay? So holding the pick, it would look like that. This way. Now my arm's sitting on the body of the guitar, that's fine. But right now, I want you to keep your hand off like this. This way it's less rigid. Now for the faster stuff, yeah, you kind of have to do that, but I want you to get much smoother with this, okay? And then some of this faster speeds for both 1 and 2. Every now and then an upstroke was missed, and you didn't catch the missed upstroke because you kept increasing the speed. So you just got to be extra careful that you know for sure all the strums are there. So, that's a new thing we're working on, so it's okay. We're going to get it polished. So what I want you to do for the first first couple of days is go up in 2s. I want you to go up in 2s for days 1 and 2, and then after that you can start going up in 5s. So yeah, just go up in 2s. So this way you have a much better chance of keeping things really smooth, okay? So days 1 and 2 of practice, go up in 2s for both the new strumming patterns. And remember, at the slow speeds, keep this part off the guitar and strum like this, like you're trying to dry your hand off. So here we go with number 1. Move this way so you can be reminded of how we want to strum it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and a... Oh shoot! This is not all on screen. Is it? No, it is not. Now it is. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 100. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wrong thing selected. Should go 90 instead. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. $150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1. So yeah, here it's fine to go from this strumming pattern or technique to this one. 1, 2. So you just when it gets going too fast for you to maintain this strumming pattern, or not pattern. When it gets too fast for you to maintain this strumming technique, you can revert back to the faster one, okay? But just again, at the slow speeds, I want you to really focus on strumming like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Number 2. All right, so this one, we got eighth notes, and we're going to strum it different than what we've done before. So, you know, we've done all that work where when you have eighth notes, you're strumming down on the downbeat, up on the upbeat. So because we're doing 16th notes now, and we're going to be focused on keeping a smooth strumming and consistent strumming speed, now you're going to be doing downstrokes for the 2 eighth notes in a row. So this way, you're not going to be going like slow, fast, slow. It's going to be consistent with it. So you're going to be going down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Obviously on the quarter note, you can pause there because you're just waiting for the new beat. But you notice how, like, the difference between this versus... Now, some things, yeah, it might make it easier to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Especially, like, on a really... However, we want to build good, strong strumming. So that's why we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. And you can still play fast this way too. It's a little bit more exhausting, but it sounds just slightly heavier. This is also going to tie into stuff like the gallops and reverse gallops. And overall just make, you know, stronger rhythm and strumming. So for this one, for the 16th note stuff we work on now, if you see 2 eighth notes in a row, you're going to do 2 downstrokes in a row. Okay, here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and a 4. 1, and 2, and a 3, 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Done. All right, let's go 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And I think that covers it. All right. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.